Hello, Extension colleagues. This video is part 3 of a 4-part series for Zoom interpretation. This video is for event presenters and the role they play in Zoom interpretation. In this lesson, we will be covering the topic during the event. During the event. At the beginning of your event, let the audience know that there are interpretation services available on Zoom. All hosts and participants must click a language channel. If in the off mode, participants will hear the audio channels cut into one another. Direct your participants with the following directions. Click the globe icon, select the language of preference. If mute original audio is listed, click it. For all questions in the chat that are in English, it is important to read them out loud so the interpreter can interpret the questions to the participants. The interpreter will only interpret things said out loud. This also relates to any materials that are in English and not in the language of preference. Be aware that the interpreter may be signaling for you to slow down, pause, or stop when necessary. For additional helpful tools, refer to this website.